All right, everybody in kindergarten, it's Tuesday, and we're going to start on our next math journal page, and it's page 17 down here in the corner, the snowman. And it says right here, we're going to create an A, B, B, C, C pattern. Now, the way we know how many colors we're going to have in this pattern is by how many different letters we see. So I see an A, I see a two B's, and I see a C. Sorry, my light keeps going out. And so I got one letter, two letters, three letters. Now some of them repeat, but I see three different letters. So what I'm going to do is I need to pick three different colors. I'm going to do, all my A's are going to be red. All my B's are going to be light blue. And then all my C's are going to be green. So you can pick any three colors you'd like, but I'm going to use red, blue, and green. So now I've got to put this pattern onto my snowman. So sometimes I just think it's easier to write the pattern out underneath my snowman so I know what I'm coloring in the right way. So I'm going to just write this pattern out underneath them. So I'm going to go A, B, B, C, C. So I just wrote that pattern underneath. And then I'm going to start it again. A, B, B, and then C. And then I'm out of snowmen for that row. So now all I have to do is go back and color the colors the correct way. So all my A's are going to be red. I can go through and do all my A's now. And that's it. And then my B's are going to be blue. So B here. And then another B next to it. A, B, B. Now C, C. And then my last color for C is green. So it goes A, B, B, C, C. A, now we got to go back to the B color. B, B, and the last color, C. So all my A's are red, all my B's are blue, all my C's are green. A, B, B, C, C, A, B, B, C, and that's the end of that line. Now let's do the same thing now for this one. We have an A, B, C, C pattern. So how many different letters do we see? I see one A, so that's one. I see one B, so that's two. And then I see C. I see three different letters. Now the C repeats itself, so we only count it just the one time because that's one letter. So we're going to do, our A's are going to do the same thing. Our A's will be red, our B's will be blue, and our C's will be green. And then we're going to write it underneath. We're going to write this pattern. A, B, C, C. A, B, C, C, A. And now we go back and we use our colors to make the pattern. So all my A's are going to be red. Go through to all my A's. And then the last one. Then I go back and do my B's blue. So here's a B. C, C, A. Here's a B. C, C. No more B's. And then my C's now are going to be green. So see, even though I'm using three colors, the same three colors, I'm doing them in a different pattern. So let's look at this one. Goes A, B, C, C. A, B, C, C, A. Now let's just write our colors in again. So we have a A, so that's 1. We have a B, so that's 2. And we have a C, so that's 3. So we have 3 colors again. So the A's are going to be red. The B's are going to be blue. And the C's are going to be green. And then we'll write the pattern underneath the snowmen again. So we're going to write this pattern this time. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. Now it's going to be your job to use the colors, the correct colors, and color the snowmen for that pattern. Now, after you get done with your page 17, you're going to get at page 18. You guys don't need to take your pages out of your journal. I just do it because when I'm filming it, it's a lot easier. So you leave your pages inside your journal, okay? It says, there are 8 boys on sleds and 3 girls on sleds. Draw the kids below. How many kids are there all together? So, first thing we have to do is circle our numbers that are important. So let's read it again. There are 8 boys. So we're going to circle 8. And 3 girls. So we're going to circle 3. We're going to underline the question, how many kids are there all together? That's what we want to know. But we need to know the action that we're going to be doing. So I can look down here. I see that it's a plus down here. It's an addition problem. And I see my action word here means all together. That means bringing everything in one. So I'm going to box that word all together. Okay, because that's our action. So here we go. I'm going to draw boys and girls. And the only way I know how to draw people well is drawing stick people. So I'm going to make boys first, and I'm going to just make the boys and stick people boys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my 8 boys. I'm going to give them some eyes so they don't just look like in a mouth. Hi, boys. Hi, all 8 boys. And now there's 3 girls. Now the only way I'm going to make sure that I know that they're girls, and this isn't always the case, but most of the time girls have longer hair than boys. Not me. I have short hair, huh? But one day when I grow up, I'll have long hair. And there we go. I have 3 girls. There's my girls. Give them little happy faces. Okay, so I have 8 boys and 3 girls. Draw the kids below. So we did that. We have 8 here and 3 there. How many kids are there all together? Oh, this is kind of easy. So I know that there's 8 boys right here, so I'm going to put an 8 there. And I know that there's 3 girls right here, so I'm going to put a 3. 8 plus 3, what would that equal? Now that's big. That's a big number. I can't even, I'm not even going to have enough fingers to do that. So the easiest way to do it is to count. And I don't even have to count these because I know there's 8 there. So I'm going to start with 8 and then count on. So here's 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 kids all together. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. And we finished page 18.